Are you ready to take your sewing to the next level? The Sewing Guru is here to guide you on your sewing journey, whether you are a beginner or an experienced sewer, to expand your skills. The Sewing Guru concept has been perfectly crafted to provide you with the best and easiest way to learn the art of sewing. Gain the confidence you need to create any garment your heart desires. Our system has been proven with thousands of members worldwide, ensuring it covers every eventuality. Whether you are a complete beginner or an advanced sewer, the Sewing Guru has got you covered. From the initial measuring process to step-by-step garment construction, our detailed yet easy-to-follow sewing videos will have you creating masterpieces in no time. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to an amazing learning experience. The Sewing Guru is the only tool you will ever need to master the art of sewing and tailoring. Don't wait another moment to embark on your sewing adventure. Join today and be amazed by the world of sewing possibilities that await you. Watch, learn and sew your way to greatness with the help of the Sewing Guru.